In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio in Adobe Express. If you have a video project open and you want to get rid of a voiceover, remove background audio, or simply mute a soundtrack without deleting your visuals, Adobe Express makes that process very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what your options are, so you can choose the method that works best for your project. Start by opening your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where the audio is already attached, so you can see your video clips and the timeline area clearly. This is important because the audio you want to remove will usually appear directly beneath the video clips rather than on top of them. Next, locate the voiceover or audio track underneath your video. Depending on your project, this might be a recorded narration, imported music, or another sound layer connected to your video. Take a moment to identify the correct track before making changes, especially if your project includes more than one audio element. Once you've found it, click on the audio track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted or active in the editing area. Selecting the track first is important because Adobe Express needs to know which audio element you want to edit. From here, you have two simple options. If you want to completely remove the audio from the project, press the delete key on your keyboard. You can also right-click the audio track and choose delete from the menu. This is the best option if you no longer need that recording at all and want it fully removed from your timeline. If you'd rather keep the audio in place but stop it from being heard, look over to the left panel and click the volume icon to mute it. Muting is useful when you may want to use the track again later but don't want it playing in the current version of the video. It gives you a little more flexibility than deleting, since the audio remains part of the project. That's really all there is to it. Whether you choose to delete the track entirely or simply mute it, the key steps are to find the audio beneath your video, select it, and then decide which option fits your editing goal. If you're making multiple versions of the same video, muting can be especially helpful. But if you want a cleaner timeline, deleting may be the better choice. And that's how to remove audio in Adobe Express.